Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a hair tool review with you. We're going to talk about the Micollme, a 110 RPM brushless high-speed motor blow dryer that has such an incredibly powerful airflow. It's been called one of the best blow dryers on Amazon. This hair tool also has thermal ion X technology for hair care and protection. It is seriously a game changer in the world of hairstyling. If you're tired of spending hours on drying and styling your hair, then this video is for you. Micollme Blow dryer is a revolutionary hairstyling tool that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. It is designed to make your hair drying and styling experience easier, faster, and more efficient. In particular, the H6 model is a budget high-speed hair dryer designed with upgraded technology to revolutionize how you dry and style your hair. Containing the functionalities of a high-speed brushless motor and Thermon XTM technology, the H6 offers unparalleled protection and efficiency for all your hair styling demands. One of the standout features of the blow dryer is its advanced ionic technology. This thermo ion XTM technology for hair care and protection. And it's also intelligently combined with NTC thermal measure for more than 100 times a second airflow. And it also releases 300 million negative ions. This reduces the risk of hair damage from high heat, and it gives maximum protection during hair drying and styling. It also leaves your hair frizz-free, hydrated, soft, and shiny. This technology works by emitting negative ions that break down water molecules, resulting in faster drying time. This blow dryer also helps to reduce frizz, leaving your hair looking smooth, shiny, and healthy. The advanced ionic technology of the blow dryer offers several benefits for hair health and appearance. Let's take a look at some of these benefits. With the Micollme, you're going to experience reduced drying time. The negative ions emitted by this blow dryer break down water molecules, and this allows for them to evaporate faster. This means that you spend less time blow drying your hair, in effect reducing your hair's exposure to heat and potential damage. This blow dryer also does help to minimize heat damage by reducing the drying time. The Micollme helps to minimize the heat exposure to your hair. Excessive heat, of course, can lead to dryness, brittleness, and it also results in damaged hair. With faster drying, you can maintain healthier hair with the Micollme because it will dry your hair super fast. You also experience decreased frizz and flyaways. The negative ions produced by this blow dryer neutralize the positive static charge in your hair. This is going to help your hair look smoother. So it's going to smooth the hair cuticle. It's going to reduce frizz and flyaway. So your hair will appear smoother, sleeker, and more manageable. With this blow dryer, you'll also experience enhanced shine. The smoothing effects of these negative ions also helps to seal your hair cuticle. When the cuticle is smooth and flat, it reflects light better, resulting in enhanced shine and luster. Your hair looks healthier, more vibrant, and full of life. You're going to experience improved hair health by reducing drying time and minimizing the heat damage. The advanced ionic technology of the blow dryer helps to maintain the overall health of your hair. It helps your hair to retain moisture, prevents excessive dryness, and keeps your hair looking and feeling healthy. You also do have versatile styling options. Micollme blow dryer's advanced ionic technology provides you with a versatile styling tool. You can create various hairstyles from sleek and straight to voluminous curls with the help of the negative ions that reduce frizz and enhance manageability. Overall, the advanced ionic technology of the blow dryer offers multiple benefits for your hair health and appearance. It reduces drying time and it does help to minimize heat damage. It does decrease frizz and flyaways. It enhances shine and it improves hair health. And it also does provide versatile styling options. With the technology in this blow dryer, you can achieve salon quality results while keeping your hair healthy and beautiful. Another impressive feature of the blow dryer is its powerful motor. With a high speed airflow, it delivers strong, consistent airflow to dry your hair in no time at all. Whether you have thin hair or thick hair or long hair or curly hair, short or fine, this blow dryer is up to the task. It's a hyper powerful blow dryer with a powerful 110 RPM brushless hyper motor. The H6 provides an extraordinary airflow speed, allowing for hair drying that is 3 times faster than conventional blow dryers. You can achieve exceptional results with the H6 in just 2 to 8 minutes, depending on your hair length and thickness. The blow dryer also offers multiple heat and speed settings to cater to different hair types and styling preferences. Whether you want a gentle breeze or a powerful blast of air, you can easily adjust the settings to achieve the desired result. Plus, the cool shot button helps to lock in your hairstyle for a long-lasting hold. Next, let's talk about how the blow dryer leaves your hair smooth and shiny. This blow dryer has 300 million negative ions it emits to help seal the cuticle, resulting in a sleek and frizz-free finish. Say goodbye to flyaways and hello to luscious locks. The advanced ionic technology of the blow dryer plays a significant role in faster drying time and reducing frizz. Let me explain how it works. When you turn on the dryer, it emits those 300 million negative ions into the airflow. These negative ions are attracted to the positively charged water molecules in your hair. As a result, the water molecules are broken down into smaller droplets by the negative ions. The smaller water droplets evaporate more quickly due to their increased surface area. This means that the moisture in your hair evaporates faster, resulting in a reduced drying time. You'll spend less time blow drying your hair, which is especially beneficial for those with long or thick hair or those who are short on time. Additionally, the negative ions produced by the dryer help to neutralize the positive static charges in your hair. This static charge is responsible for creating frizz and flyaways. By neutralizing the static charge, the negative ions smooth the hair cuticle, resulting in a sleeker, shinier, and smoother finish. The smoothing effect of the negative ions also helps to seal your hair cuticle, which means that your hair is less likely to lose moisture and become frizzy. As a result, you'll enjoy reduced frizz with this blow dryer, improved shine, and healthier looking hair. In summary, the advanced ionic technology of the blow dryer breaks down water molecules, leading to faster drying time. It also neutralizes static charge, smooths the hair cuticle, and reduces frizz. I also love how the blow dryer can be used for versatile styling options, whether you want to create voluminous curls, sleek straight hair, or add texture and body. This blow dryer is a versatile styling tool that can help you achieve any look you desire. Additional key features that I also love about this blow dryer include its adjustable heat and airflow settings. It can easily adjust from 4 temperature settings. There is the cool mode, the warm air mode, the hot air mode, and there is the hot cold air solidic drying mode. And it also does have low or high speed airflow, which you can customize to your drying preference. And you can easily switch modes for different hairstyling needs. I also love that it has two magnetic attachments. It's lightweight, weighing just 407 grams. And the H6 is the epitome of portability and style. The 360-degree rotating magnetic smooth nozzle and diffuser caters to your personal styling needs. And it also does come with a travel bag, so you can easily keep it with you on the go. It's definitely an essential companion on your travels. I also love the advanced motor design and the airflow that has been engineered to result in less noise, making this Micollme blow dryer a more peaceful styling experience. And there won't be so much noise, so you can actually blow dry your hair at various times and it won't disrupt maybe your family sleeping and things of that nature. And there you have it, a closer look at the Micollme blow dryer. With its advanced technology, powerful motor, and versatile styling options, this blow dryer is a must-have for anyone who wants to achieve salon quality results in the comfort of their own home. You can definitely save so much money as well with this blow dryer because you won't have to make so many salon visits. So if you're ready to say goodbye to long drying times, frizzy hair, and limited styling options, then definitely give the Micollme blow dryer a try. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips, beauty tips, and product reviews. And as always, leave any comments and or questions down below. See you next time.